Hey everyone, Matt Knauss here, and today we're talking about how to decide whether a jury trial or a bench trial is right for your case. Well, first, what is the difference? You know, in Washington, a jury trial in a criminal case means a jury made up of 6 people for a misdemeanor or 12 people for a felony. And in that type of trial, the judge's role is to decide what evidence gets presented and essentially act as a referee. And the jury decides what happened and whether a crime was committed. Look, in most cases, a jury is the best option. If you look at it this way, the government has the burden of proving its case beyond a reasonable doubt. And a jury has to be unanimous if they vote to convict you. So that means they have to convince 6 or 12 people instead of just 1. In a bench trial, the judge makes all of the decisions about what evidence to admit, but they also get to decide what happened. We call that making findings of fact. And then they decide whether the facts establish the charge that you've been accused of beyond a reasonable doubt. Now, there are really 2 main reasons that you might choose a judge-only trial over a jury. First, some charges have elements that require a prosecutor to prove you have significant criminal history. For example, in some driving while license suspended cases, the government has to establish that you are, quote, a habitual traffic offender. And they have to show that you've been convicted of at least 3 serious traffic crimes in the last 5 years. Obviously, that's not such a good look in front of a jury full of strangers who might themselves never have been accused of a crime. But a judge can usually set aside a person's history and focus just on the facts of the case in front of them. Now, the second reason you might want a judge to decide your case is because your defense really has nothing to do with what happened. Everyone agrees about what happened, and instead, we're relying on a technical legal argument. Now, a jury might think you're arguing a technicality, but a judge would understand that it's really about the Constitution and whether the government can meet its burden. Look, every case is different, and what might be a good idea in one court would be a terrible plan in another. And you need an attorney who knows the lay of the land and can tell you about their experience with both the court and the prosecuting attorney. Chances are you or someone you care about needs our help. We've been fiercely protecting our clients' freedom and reputation for more than a decade, and I know we can help you fix this. Give us a call and let's get to work on getting your life back.